Signofied, LLC is back to talk about your bio. Your bio is your digital handshake. It's the first thing people see, your 3-second shot to make an impression. Most bios are weak, outdated, or generic, and that's costing you opportunities. Your bio isn't just a job title, it's your story. Fast. Ditch the jargon. Results-oriented professional means nothing. If you try to please everyone, you connect with no one. Your bio should attract the right people and filter out the rest. Today, your online presence is your resume, business card, and reputation. Before anyone works with you, they'll Google you and your bio sets the tone. Are you a forward-thinking expert, or just another suit? Your bio speaks for you 24/7. Treat it like your tireless brand ambassador. No more excuses about not being a writer or not having time. Your personal brand starts with how you introduce yourself to the world. Don't let a weak paragraph define you. Take control of your narrative. Craft a bio that opens doors and reflects your real value. This is the foundation of your career. It all starts with your bio. Stop leaving opportunity on the table. Let's get to work. The difference between a weak bio and a killer bio is everything. A weak bio is just job titles and tasks, boring, forgettable, and generic. It makes you sound like a replaceable cog. A killer bio tells a story, connects your past, present, and future, and radiates energy. Instead of marketing manager at XYZ Corp, try, for a decade I've built brands people love by ditching the corporate playbook for real human connection. One is a job description, the other is a mission statement. A weak bio gets you ignored and scrolled past. A strong bio sparks curiosity and starts conversations. It positions you as a leader, not just a participant. Ask yourself, is your bio a bland summary or a bold declaration of your value? If you're not sure, it's probably the first. And that's a problem. Every day people judge you by your bio. Don't let a few lazy sentences sabotage your potential. Build a bio that works as hard as you do. Make it magnetic, make it memorable, make it you. Stop staring at a blank page. Start talking to AI. You know your bio needs work, but writing about yourself is tough. That's where AI, like ChatGPT, comes in. AI isn't stuck in your head, it's objective and fast. Dump your resume, accomplishments, and goals into it. Let it organize and find patterns. It's not cheating, it's using the best tool for the job. Think of AI as your creative partner, not your replacement. Your job is to direct, not just write. Provide the vision and raw materials. Let AI do the heavy lifting. Focus on strategy, tone, and authenticity. AI helps you get from blank page to compelling bio in record time. Don't make excuses. Use the tools available. Direct your bio. Don't just write it. Be the creative director. Use AI to accelerate, not replace your creativity. Get unstuck and get your story out there. This is where the rubber meets the road. Most people get generic results from AI because they give lazy prompts. Garbage in, garbage out. Be specific. Give AI your resume, LinkedIn, and bullet points of your biggest wins. Include numbers and data. Be concrete. Add personal details, hobbies, passions, what makes you unique. More context means better results. Define your audience. Who is this bio for? Clients, recruiters, peers? Set the tone. Confident, approachable, energetic, or story-driven. Give it a style to emulate if you want. Tell AI exactly what you want. Short version, story-driven version, conversational version. Include keywords and ask for a strong opening hook. Direct the process, don't just request a bio. The better your prompt, the better your bio. Treat AI like your creative team. Be clear, be detailed, and you'll get results that sound like you. 90% of the work is in the setup. This is how you get a bio that actually works. Alright, you've got your AI-generated drafts. Don't just copy-paste, add your human touch. Read the drafts out loud. Does it sound like you? Rewrite stiff or awkward phrases in your own words. Swap out jargon for language you actually use. Authenticity is everything. People spot fakes instantly. Fact-check every detail and punch up the specifics. Replace generic claims with real numbers and vivid examples. Combine the best parts from each draft. Mix, match, and refine until it feels 100% you. This is an iterative process. Don't be afraid to go back to AI for tweaks. The goal isn't to use what AI gave you, but to create something uniquely yours. Make your bio powerful, accurate, and unmistakably you. Your story deserves more than a copy-paste job. Sculpt your bio until it shines. You did it. You have a killer bio. Don't just update LinkedIn and walk away. Consistency is key for your personal brand. Deploy your new bio across every digital touchpoint: LinkedIn, website, social media, and more. Tailor the length and style for each platform, but keep the message consistent. Update your headline, About Me page, and social profiles. Use the short version for Twitter or Instagram, the longer one for your website. Make sure event organizers, podcast hosts, and journalists have your new bio. Add it to your email signature and online communities. Every place your name appears is a branding opportunity. Be relentless. Brand harmony builds trust and authority. Take an hour to update every profile. Your new bio is your flag, planted everywhere. Set a reminder to review your bio every 6 months. Your story evolves. Keep your brand fresh. Don't let your bio get stale. Stay intentional, stay consistent. Now go execute. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe to the Signofied LLC YouTube channel.